What's up guys, and in this video I'll show you how to make origami spike plane. I hope you will enjoy this video and enjoy this tutorial. So make sure to give a like, follow my channel, and thanks for watching. So for this tutorial you only need a A4 size sheet of paper. You can use origami rectangular sheets or any color paper. So let's start this tutorial. So for the first step is to take this line and line it till here. Do a crease. Open it up. And now here what you need to do is to take this point and align it till here. Take this point and line it till here, here to here, like this. Point, then make a crease. After you have completed this step, now open the page and do the same from the other side. Make a point till here, like this, and then crease. So after you have completed this step, the next step is to take this paper and now take this line and line till here. After you complete this step, the next step is to turn it over and also from here to the opposite fold. After you complete this step, the next step is to take this line and make a balloon base. So your paper will look like this. After you complete this step, the next step is to take the point and line it till there, that point, and now crease. And the next step is to do the same thing from the opposite side. And the next step, after you complete this step, take this line and do it till here, this fold, make sure you have exact and appropriate creases. Do the same thing from here, and now crease. The paper will look like this. Open this, open the creases, open the fold, take this line and take this side, open it up. There's a pocket, you can see the pocket will form here. Okay, so after this you can see that there's a line from here to here and also here to here. You need to crease that out like this. Crease it nice and tidy like this. Crease from here and repeat from here. Make a crease. And your paper will look like this. align it down. So this side is finished. Close it, and you will do the same thing on this side. So I have also completed by my side on this side, and your paper will look like this. The next step is to open this up, and you need to do the fold like this. You will see a line over here. Crease. Open this up, and you will also crease on this side. Okay, and now crease. So after you complete this step, the next step is to, your paper will look like this. What you need to do, you need to make a shrink this like that, and then you will hold it till here. You'll push it back until it joins the point or that joins with the line. So your paper, your model will look like this, and you need to repeat the same steps on this side. At the behind the scenes, I have completed this step, and now the next step is to take this part and align it to the back side. So like this. Make sure that you can see the line over here, and the point touches, make sure the aligns with the line, and now you make a crease. Turn it over. The paper will look like this. You have some 70% completed your airplane, and now the next step is to, you will see a fold over here. You will make a pocket over here a bit, and now you will take this line and fold it till here, and you will crease. Follow the same steps on this side, and I will meet you after the cut break, and your paper will look like this. The next step is to turn it over, fold it into half, crease from here, and paper will look like this. Now you will take this and fold into half to this point, fold, make a crease, turn it over, and do the same thing from the side. And that's how you make origami spike. Guys, if you like my tutorial, make sure to give a like, subscribe, follow my channel. Thank you.